In this video, I'm going to show you how I built the FirstWalker. It's pretty simple. It consists of 3 servos, but has full motion control, left, right, backwards, forwards, using a universal IR remote control. I designed the components in CorelDRAW and then used vCarve to create the tool paths. So let's take a look at the machining process real quick. All the components fit on 2 pieces of 7/32 12 by 12 inch plywood. Here I'm machining the base section. I'm using a 1/16 inch straight flute router bit. I'm cutting at 0.04 inches per pass. RPM is about 18,000. Feed rate is 50 inches a minute, and I'm doing a 1/4 inch ramp. Here I'm cutting the leg components. These are cut using the same speeds and feeds. Once the components have been cut, I give both sides a quick sanding with an orbital sander. This helps remove any of the little burr or frays on the plywood. I then punch out the components. Notice how I push them down from the top. This keeps the tabs from blowing out the plywood on the component itself on the bottom. A couple of the components have internal cutouts. Those will be punched out from the bottom. Once the components have been cut out, I then route both edges with a very small 1/8 inch round over bit. It's only taken off of just enough to remove the tabs. As you can see here, it gets rid of all the junk. Easiest way to do this, I found. If you don't have a router table, then you have to use some like flush cut snips or something. But the router table definitely makes short order of this. Note that a couple of the real small pieces I still use snips. I don't round over the tabs, however. I then give the edges a quick sanding with a fine sanding sponge. The finished components all ready for painting. The base components and the lower portion of the legs will be painted in a flat black paint, and the upper portions of the legs will be painted in green. Here I am painting the base components. And here I'm painting the upper leg components. And here are all the components ready for assembly. I did paint all the hardware a copper color, as well as the two joining bars. Please excuse the blur, but this is the only video I have of this. I don't have a video of the actual assembly, but I did take several photos, so you can get the gist of how it goes together. Well, that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at the walker in action. Here it's moving forward. We do a left turn. And reverse. Right turn. Forward again. I do have a quicker gait that it can travel at. Oops! Looks like I forgot to put the screw in the cam there. Let's take a look at that gate again. And there you have it, a very simple walker. Be sure to visit the Kronos Robotics website for more projects like this. I also have a full write-up on this project on the website. So, until next time.